Sa ibang mga usapin, mga kabombo, nagbahagi ho ng video statement si Effie Calugiro, ang nagpakilalang asawa ng Ateneo Blue Eagles coach na si Tab Baldwin, kung saan sinabi ho niya na binalaan na umano niya ang pamunuan ng Ateneo de Manila University hinggil sa kaligtasan ng mga student athletes sa ilalim ng pamumuno ng coach. Sa nasabing video, nanawagan si Calugiro sa mga magulang ni Rene Beterbonia at Divine Adri kaugnay sa issue. Ang pahayag ay nagdulot nga ng kontrobersiya sa gitna ng patuloy na kampanya ng Ateneo Blue Eagles sa UAAP Season 88 kung saan nakapagtala ang kupunan ng 5-2 win-loss record hanggang sa kalagitnaan ng Hunyo ng taong kasalukuyan. Balikan po natin ang pahayag ng nagpakilalang misis o asawa ni Coach Baldwin.
Hello, my name is Effie. And I have been married to Tab Baldwin since 2011. I'm officially still married to him. However, in early 2020, I had to flee away from Tab for the sake of myself and my kids to keep us safe. This video is because of his latest interview, and when he talks about his family, I want to make sure that he doesn't represent me or my kids. At the time, I repeatedly told the Ateneo University that children are not safe around him, and it was their duty to remove him. I urged them to move him away from the campus, the university campus, and they proceeded to launch a campaign of intimidation and silencing. Rovelin and Elias, the deaths of your kids were not only predictable but preventable. The bodies of your kids are still warm, and he's talking about moving on. That's terrible. Please believe him. I urge the Filipinos and the police there to keep asking why he was still allowed around children in spite.
Bahagi po yan ng revelasyon ni Effie Calugiro, ang nagpakilalang misis nitong si Coach Tab Baldwin. Sa kabila po ng issue, nagpapatuloy pa rin ang kanilang pagsasanay at paghahanda para sa mga susunod na laban ng Ateneo. Gayunpaman, ilang observer ang nagsasabi na wala nang kinalaman sa orihinal na issue ang paglabas ng mga usapin, lalo na ang tungkol sa sariling pamilya ng batikang coach.